just wanted to demonstrate a cold start video. I have my fingers on the exhaust manifold and I'm actually standing on the tire, so I have to jump off. As you can see, all the warning lights light up. Hasn't been started for about 2 weeks, so and you can see the oil pressure is good. All the gauges work. All the warning lights turn off. The transmission is cold, fluid is cold, and the coolant is cold. And it does have MBRS exhaust, so it has a nice throaty sound, but not so loud that's annoying. No exhaust manifold leaks or unusual kicks. The engine is perfectly still and smooth. Bid with confidence. This is one of the best V10s out there. Thanks.